Hey guys, welcome back. We are jumping back into the Mountainfall diorama. Let's go! Huh. So, turns out my phone felt like dying on me, and you got to miss the exciting part of this all. So here you go. I started making the mountain portion of the main piece of the island. The other sections of the floating islands. Originally, this was meant to be the bottom where it's floating, but I think it looks darn cool like this. So we got the mountains on this one, more mountain terrain on this one, and then this was the very first floating island that I started with. This is supposed to be the top, but it kind of looks like a battle cruiser from Battleship. So I don't know, maybe we'll make that intentional. Anyway, we're gonna try and finish off this, and let's go. It. Our first main island piece. Well, it's not done, so I can't say it's our first island piece done, but a majority of it. This is the main island. This is the island that Leo arrives on. So as I mentioned before, this overall island is 3 pieces, and here, all 3 pieces together, technically 4, but this is part of this one. So these 3 sections of the island are going to be staggered, right? So this one's going to be raised up to the highest point, this one in the middle, this one at the bottom. So this one is going to be what appears to be a standalone island. This one will be in a lower level, which I will explain in another video, and this one will be in the lowest level. And the concept is essentially that each of these islands appear to be separate, but they exist on 3 different shells, like 3 different layers of the planet. So they exist individually, but they're actually together. So more to come on that. And that's it for this video. So if you liked it, please give a thumbs up. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. I will be posting another video soon on making more progress on this project. Like I mentioned in the last one, I really have no idea what I'm doing. I'm kind of just figuring it out as I go. But man, this 3D printing pen thing is way more fun than I anticipated it being. Like, originally this was a way to use up old filament and to work on a project that I've been planning for the past month or so. So it's exciting to get use of both the pen to use up old filament and create an awesome project. So yeah, anyway, looking forward to the next one. I will catch you guys later. Bye.